So color property of the 7th A group elements. So fluorine is yellow color gas. Chlorine is greenish yellow gas. So both chlorine and fluorine are gases. Next, bromine is a red colored liquid. Iodine is the violet color solid. Violet color solid. Astatine is a radioactive substance. Actually, bromine, iodine, astatine with 18 electrons. It's n minus 1 subshell. N minus shell. N minus shell means it is the penultimate shell. What is a penultimate shell? So the elements with 18 electrons, its penultimate shell is called pseudo inert gas configuration. What is the elements with 18 electrons, its valency shell is called penultimate shell consists of 18 electrons. It is pseudo inert gas configuration. So bromine, iodine, astatine with 18 electrons, its penultimate shell. Penultimate shell means n minus 1 shell. N minus 1d shell. Okay. So now next one is actually due to the color property. So fluorine absorb violet color, emits yellow color. Actually violet color is the more energetic. Its frequency is more. Yellow color is the less energetic. Its frequency is less. So fluorine absorb violet, emits the yellow color. So iodine absorb yellow color and emits violet. Reverse, inverse process. So it is less energetic. It is the more energetic. More energetic. So now next one is actually halogens are the diatomic. What is it? Its atomicity is atomicity. What is atomicity? Atomicity. So halogens are diatomic. What is diatomic molecules? What is diatomic molecules? So fluorine is F2, chlorine is Cl2, bromine is Br2, iodine is I2. So wherein covalent bonds are present in between two atoms in diatomic molecules. So like that it is F covalent bond F. Chlorine Cl covalent bond Cl. So bromine Br covalent bond Br. So iodine I covalent bond, what is I? So seventh group elements are the diatomic molecules. What is diatomic molecules? So now actually next one is standard. What is standard? Standard. What is standard? Enthalpy of hydration. Standard enthalpy. Standard enthalpy of hydration values. What is the standard enthalpy of hydration? 1 mole of substance is soluble in, dissolved in water, then heat of energy is released or absorbed at standard conditions is called standard enthalpy. Actually enthalpy of hydration is denoted with delta H HYD hydration. So standard enthalpy of hydrogen is denoted with delta H HYD naught. What is a HYD naught? So this values, what is a delta H naught HYD? Hydration enthalpies are fluorine is greater than, chlorine is greater than, bromine is greater than iodine. Fluorine is greater than, chlorine is greater than, iodine is iodine. So fluorine with the small size. What is a fluorine with the small size? Iodine with the large size. What is iodine with the larger size? So it is the standard enthalpy of hydration. So now sixth property, sixth general property is what is? It is the sixth general property of the halogens. Sixth general properties of the halogens. Covalent radius. What is a covalent radius? Actually, in diatomic molecules of halogens, covalent bond is present. So then, covalent radius. So now sixth one is covalent radius. Actually, covalent radius increases. What is covalent radius increases from top to bottom? What is from top to bottom? Because from top to bottom, atomic size is increases. What is from atomic size is increases. So now the order of the covalent radius is fluorine is less than, chlorine is less than, bromine is less than, what is iodine? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine. What is covalent radius? Two atoms are held by covalent bond. So now the half of the internuclear distance between two atoms are held by covalent bond. So for example, let us consider F2 molecule. What is a F2 molecule? So it is a nucleus of one fluorine, it is a nucleus of another fluorine. So it is the F2 molecule. What is a F2 molecule? So it is a fluorine, it is a fluorine. So it is the internuclear distance. So how much the internuclear distance? For example, 128 picometers. What is 128 picometers is the internuclear distance. So covalent radius. What is a covalent radius of fluorine equal to 128 by 2. 128 by 2 equal to 64 picometers. So it is the half of the internuclear distance. So then from top to bottom size what happens? Increases. Size increases, then internuclear distance increases. Internuclear distance increases, covalent radius also increases. So now next one is ionization energies. Ionization energy. So then ionization energy, that is IE. What happens from top to bottom in a group? Decreases. Because from top to bottom size what happens? Increases. Size increases. So then ionization potential values, okay, IP values increases. Okay, increases from top to bottom. Ionization potential values, what happens? Decreases. Ionization potential values decreases because size increases. So then order of the ionization is fluorine is greater than, chlorine is greater than, bromine is greater than iodine. Because fluorine with small size, iodine with large size. What is iodine with large size? So the ionization potential of fluorine is 1680 kilojoule per mole. What is a kilojoule per mole? So now the ionization energy of iodine is 1008. What is 1008 kilojoule per mole? So now what happens? Ionization potential from top to bottom decreases. Small size, more ionization energy. Large size, less ionization energy values. So next one is electron gain enthalpy. So next property is electron gain enthalpy. So now electron gain enthalpy. So it is also known as electron affinity. It is also known as what is electron affinity. So electron affinity is denoted with EA. Electron affinity is EA. Actually, electron gain enthalpy is related to ionization energy, but it is the inverse process. Ionization energy means the amount of energy is required for removal of electron, wherein the amount of energy is released when electron is added to neutral atom. So actually, electron gain enthalpy also what happens from top to bottom decreases. So now VA values decreases. What is EA values decreases from what is fluorine to what is iodine. Decreases from fluorine to iodine because size increases. So now order. Actually order is what is fluorine is greater than chlorine is greater than bromine is greater than iodine. Actual order. But one exception is there. But is one exception is there. The exception is chlorine is greater than fluorine is greater than bromine is greater than iodine. So the highest electron affinity element is chlorine in seventh group elements. Not only seventh group, in the total periodic table. So it is exception order. Why the exception order? Actually, chlorine is greater than fluorine due to what is it? Due to small size of fluorine. What is it? Small size of fluorine. So due to small size, repulsions are present in between the fluorine molecules. So the repulsions increases, size increases, then electron gain enthalpy is what happens, decreases. So then in chlorine, less repulsion between adding electron and existing electron. Okay, less repulsion between adding electron and existing electron, adding electron and existing electron in chlorine. What is chlorine? So due to these two reasons, so then electron affinity of chlorine is greater than fluorine. Electron affinity of fluorine is greater than chlorine. Okay, so now next one is electronegativity.